the first letter we're going to start with. So have a go at that. So it's pronounced The next one, I. So say it with me, I. So it kind of comes down from your lungs inside, I, like you're being hit on your chest, I. Okay, the next one, U. So again, U. Okay, let's try the next one then. Okay, the next letter is H. Again, from the same place, from your chest. Imagine someone's hitting your chest. H. He. So you open your mouth here. Open your mouth as wide as you can and pronounce he. Who. Again, here, make your mouth round. Who. From the same place. So all these three letters that we've done, from the same place they emanate. Okay, let's have a go at another one then. So, A. Again, open your mouth, and this time it comes from the middle of your throat. So the middle of the throat, and the next one, So have a go at that, round mouth, and from your middle of your throat. Okay, let's have a go at another one then. Ha. So now open mouth, and from the back of your mouth, top of your throat, back of your mouth, ha, like you're taking a deep breath, and you're breathing out, ha. Okay, next one, hey. So open your mouth, open your mouth out, and from the back of your throat, or top of your throat, back of your mouth, hey, like you're breathing out, hey. Okay, and next one, hu. Mouth round, hu. Same place, hu. Excellent. Right, next one, So again, middle of your throat, and top, round mouth, Open your mouth as wide as you can, Okay, again, open your mouth, Sounds a bit funny, like that. Now people around you might be looking at you and laughing at you, but inshallah you're gonna be laughing at them inshallah later on. Ha. Again, he, and hu. Okay, let's have another go then. Gha. Okay, so gha. So this is a bit difficult. You gotta make it from your back of your throat, and it's as though you're trying to say gha. Okay, so gha. Ghi. Open your mouth. Ghi. When you're trying to clean your throat out, you got some phlegm in your throat and you're trying to clean it out, you go ghi. Now this is probably difficult for a lot of people. Some people, they pronounce this incorrectly and they say ku or hu. No, like you're saying to someone go. Yeah. Okay, next one. Kha, kha. Okay, this is a bit easier than gha. Kha, 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 kha. Okay, so kha, like you're saying car, but kha, 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 kha. Khi, with your mouth, khi, khi. And khu, khu. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, let's try another one. Qa, qa, qa. And then this is more towards your tongue now, more towards your tongue. So you're going to say qa, 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 like Q or K, but qa, qa. So qa. Next one. Qi, qi. Open your mouth sideways. Qi, qi. And qu, 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 qu. Round mouth, small. Qu, qu. Okay. Now, you don't want to pronounce this as ku, ku. No, not ku. Bit heavier, bit more heavier. Qu, qu. Okay. And let's do one more. Ka, ka. Now, this is a bit lighter. Ka, ka. Like you're saying car. Ka. Ki, ki. Ku, ku, ku. Okay, so have a go at that. Now, these are the letters that we mentioned to you in the beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test you on these guys, on these ones now. So hopefully you guys should get it all right. So let's have a go. Okay, so what's this one? Okay, pronounce that. Have a go. Okay, it's I, I. Now if you forget, you can rewind, go back, and you can check it again. Let's try another one. Have a go at that. He, he. Okay, and another one. He, he, he. Okay, let's have a go another one. Ru, ru, ru. Okay, let's have a go another one. Qi, qi, qi. Let's have a go another one. Ku, ku, ku. Let's have a go another one. Khi, khi, khi. And let's have a go one more. Hu, hu, hu. Another one. Have a go at that. Qi, qi, qi. So let's see one more. Have a go at that. Ha, ha, ha. And there you have it. So alhamdulillah, you have completed this. So what I want to do is I want to go through systematically in explaining and making you guys understand how to read the Quran. Inshallah, we're all going to do it together. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up, give me likes, share, spread it with everyone else. And also, do you think using this the camera is beneficial? Does it help you? Shall I use it? Shall I not use it? Let me know what you guys think, and inshallah we'll use that in the next video. Right, so if you guys want me to make more videos like this, and I really am passionate about making videos like this and videos to help people understand the Quran, Arabic, etc., and I want to make it free of charge for every single person, man, woman, child, anyone, whether you're Muslim or non-Muslim, I want to make it free for every single person. For this to happen, I need your support. So thank you very much for those people who are supporting me on Patreon. If you guys want to help me and support me on Patreon as well, you can go to the description below, or you can click on the logo and you can go to my Patreon page, and you will get early access to the new videos I make. You will also get many other perks, inshallah. Check them out. And also don't forget, so here are the patrons, their names. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from them. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.